Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. And for our video, we are about to unbox the Zastone D500 mini mobile radio from Zastone. So, without further ado, let's unbox. So guys, when you were using any sharp object, just be careful not to hurt yourself. Okay? So, it's kind of noisy here, fellow hams, mga karadyo. There are workers outside the house. And our radio and monitor there is ongoing net call via Echolink. Maybe you hear at the background of this video. Okay. It is very safe because of the bubble wrap from the Zastone. So first, before we open this box, I would like to express my gratitude, and I want to give thanks to the Zastone for the company for giving me the opportunity to have an unbox test and do some reviews about the Zastone D500. So set this aside. So as you can see, fellow hams, this is the Zastone D500. Okay. So let's move further here and focus. Okay. Okay. So as we can see, fellow hams, this is the Zastone D500 dual band digital mobile radio. It works with the UHF and VHF band, so it is a dual band mini mobile radio. So as we can see from the box, it have 25 watts power output on RF. So okay, 512 memory channels with built-in dual speaker, multifunction hand mic. Okay, the model here is the Zastone D500, works with the VHF and UHF band. So from the Shenzhen Zastone technology. Okay, so unbox and let's see. First, we can see the user's manual of the Zastone D500. Okay, so we have here the hand mic. It's very large, fellow hams. Okay. So it has key buttons, menu, up and down, and exit tab. Okay. I guess it is magnetic. Yes, it is. It is magnetic. It has magnet. So you can place this hand mic in any metallic object. Okay. So what we have here is an extension wire. Maybe it's for the head panel of the Zastone D500. Okay, set aside first. Here we also have the car jack. So it's common like to use in car lighter jack. Okay, with T connection. So we have fuse. Okay, that's a good thing. Bolts, nuts, and this one, I guess it is for the hand mic. This silver like clip hook, and for the okay, this is for the hand mic also. So not pretty sure what this is. Okay, so it's aside. So we have here the head panel or the front panel of the Zastone D500. Okay, so you can see the Zastone. Okay, Zastone, the multifunction panel. Okay, and also we have a, I guess this is a adhesive tape. Okay, for this one. Okay, and we have the bracket. Look sturdy. Okay, it's hard metal. And we have the transceiver here. Okay, we have a built-in mini fan. Okay, the SO239 antenna connector, the DC wire. We have the data, and I guess this is for the speaker, for the external speaker. And we have here the control. So we will connect this inside of the front panel, and we have the mic port over here and here. So not pretty sure where we should insert the mic, if it's here or inside the panel. So okay, that's it for now, fellow hams. In the next video we will do another test and review about the Zastone D500. So again, I would like to express my gratitude, and I would like to say thank you. I really appreciate the support of the Zastone, the company, for allowing me and giving me the opportunity to do unboxing of this Zastone D500 mini mobile radio. So that's it for now, fellow hams, mga karadyo 73, and mabuhay.